In this video, I want to show you how to enable layers toolbar in QGIS. This is icon of layer toolbar. So let's go to QGIS. In QGIS, if you launch your QGIS and the layer toolbar, which is supposed to show at this side or wherever you put it, is not showing, how do you enable it? To do that, come to this blank space and right click, then come to the last option here. You can see it, manage layers toolbar. So just check it. Once you check it, you can see it's now displaying. This layer toolbar allows you to quickly navigate or add your data, either vector data or raster data or CSV file, to your QGIS. If it is not showing, you can quickly enable it by right clicking here and check it here. Here is it, manage layer toolbar. So, and alternatively, if it is not showing and you don't know how to do it, you can still manage to add your data by coming to layer. You see add data and you see these tools to click to navigate your folder and add your different formats of your data. So I think this video is helpful to someone. Thank you for watching.